us want to give our children the best, and often that includes financial security after we're gone. In a country where even people earning six figures may be living paycheck to paycheck, generating not just a nest egg for your children, but a sustainable inheritance might be challenging. But fortunately, accumulating wealth that will last and increase for future generations isn't as tough as one may think. In this video, we will offer tried and true methods for building and growing your wealth so that it can be passed down from generation to generation. We will cover everything you need to know to build a solid financial foundation for your family's future, from smart investing methods and real estate investments to starting your own business and creating numerous streams of income. So, come along with us as we uncover the secrets to producing long-term generational wealth. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. First and foremost, purchase land. The greatest store of value is land. Given that the population is growing and the demand for space is expanding, the demand for land will continue to rise. So, it is better to purchase land and pass it down to your offspring. It is going to rise in value eventually. Number 2, buy cash flowing property. Apartment rentals, commercial property, and hotels are the golden gods of cash flow property. If you've ever played Monopoly, you will understand how this works. You buy, hold, and cash out. As long as you don't sell the property and there's a market for it, it will always provide you with food. Here is the simplest recipe for generational wealth. Buy at least 2 rental homes in addition to everything else you buy. These will not provide you with a lifestyle of a king, but you will never go hungry for the rest of your life. Number 3, build an evergreen business. There are some enterprises that can withstand the test of time. One of them is an evergreen business. An evergreen business has made money in the past, is making money today, and will continue to make money when you are gone. Famous companies that you are familiar with are examples of this. Ferrari, Lamborghini, Chevrolet, Porsche, and Ford all came with a family surname. Mercedes-Benz was named after Carl Benz. Burberry was named after the father-son of Gucci. Versace, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, Fendi, and Chanel were all last names. Almost every single brand you come into contact with in a store represents someone's legacy. This simply means that someone's idea became a business which was constructed in such a way that it has endured until now. The family became the brand, and the family became the company. The only prerequisite is that you take it seriously and keep innovating and advancing in your field. So how would your last name sound as a brand? What company can you build so that your children may carry the flame for you? Let us know in the comments if you want us to feature some tips on how to establish your own business brand. Number 4, buy and hold gold, silver, and gemstones. Some consider them outdated, low-tech, and uninteresting. But they play an important part in the generational wealth path. This is why your forefathers passed down jewelry from one generation to the next. It is now a type of flex or status symbol. Although it used to have a much more utilitarian purpose, you can pawn these jewels in an emergency. So, this is something worth keeping. Number 5, never stop working and pay as little tax as possible. To begin with, regardless of how much money you receive from your investments, if your goal is to generate long-term viable wealth, you should never stop earning. If you're already well off, you don't have to work a job that makes you unhappy just to make ends meet. A person who is unable to earn for oneself cannot maintain wealth. So, you must educate your children the fundamentals of wealth creation and preservation. Number 6, mentor your children to take over the firm or to construct something bigger than you did. We began by stating that just 30% of family enterprises are passed on to the second generation. It is also why the vast majority of new millionaires are first-generation millionaires. These are the people who, despite their humble beginnings, will change their fate and build fortune. Here is the harsh reality. If your children don't start off better than you did, you failed as a parent somewhere, whether purposefully or unintentionally. Every parent should want their children to have a better chance in life than they did. Yet, few invest in providing them with the genuine tools for success. Keep in mind that you are their instructor, their mentor, and the person who can guide them. Achieve an excellent job, and they will be motivated by your path and what you've accomplished in your life. And they will go on to achieve the same. Lastly, at number 7, write a will. It is essential to have a multi-generational game plan. Here's something you might not realize. By the time you die, say at 85, your offspring will be in their 50s or 60s, and they will have their life sorted out. As a result, the inheritance in your will is intended for your grandkids rather than your children. Your legacy will be judged by how well you inculcate the appropriate principles in your children so that their offspring do not screw things up. Most people may not notice, but if you don't have to worry about putting food on the table, you can do a lot more good in the world. A will clarifies the movement of money. A will helps to clarify the movement of money. So, if you are interested in knowing the secrets to building wealth, you can check out more videos about it on our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like button to help us know what video references you like in the coming videos. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!